Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are looking how to create recovery kit on Zengo app. For that, just open the Zengo app, just enter your log passcode and log in the app. Just open the app. Here you need to go to the security option on the bottom right corner, and here you can see the recovery kit option right here. Just tap on the recovery kit, or you can see the complete recovery kit on yellow color, golden color. So just tap on the complete recovery kit. Tap on the continue right here. So G- here you can choose the Gmail that you can give that you need to give. So choose the Gmail and just verify your email verification. So here you can give the 3D face lock authorized account recovery only for yourself on enhanced biometric security. So just tap on the continue right here. So here you can upload your recovery file. So tap on the just tap on the continue right here and just tap on the continue right option and tap if you need to give 3D face lock right here, you can do it now or you can do it later also. So this is how we are creating a recovery code on your Zengo app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.